Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to add a new place or business on Google Maps. First of all, you click on Google Maps. Below, you can see 5 icons: Explore, Go, Contribute, Updates, and Business. For you to add a new place, you click on Contribute. And then under your profile picture and info, you click on Add Place. Here you fill in all information required, the place name, the category, the address, and located within. And after that, you submit, and then Google will email you about the status of your edits. And for you to add a business, you click on business, which is the last option below. You can click on see business profile. Okay, you first click on add a business profile, and then you type in your business name. Let's say, for example, BB Braids and Co. Create a business with this name, and then you write your business category, and then you click next till you get what you want in adding your business on Google Maps. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.